It is literally going to be so wet. Like, actually. Because it just had an almost flooding thing happen. It is literally going to be so wet. Bro. Bro. Ah, there's bugs everywhere. Bro. Bro, look. The whole yard. That part's flooded. When I walk on the ground, it makes that noise. Ow, mosquito, get away. No, mosquito. No, you don't. No. Get away. Oh my gosh. It is so flooded back here. Like, what? Oh gosh. What is this now? Bro. What the... Ah, mosquitoes are so annoying. Oh my god. Oh my god, my foot just sank like a lot. It's really floody back here. Bro, mosquito? No, thank you.